on and a reformist bill must be brought forward. Thank you very much, sir.
Very good, sir. Shri E.T. Basheer, Mohammed Basheer.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Sir, as far as India is concerned, we are having a very strong banking system. As far as the proposal in this bill is concerned, there are some glimpses of good suggestions. That is to improve the governance and standard, provide consistency in reporting by bank to the Reserve Bank of India, ensure better protection for depositors and investors, improve audit quality in public sector banks, bring customer convenience in respect of nomination, and to provide for increase in tenure of the directors in cooperative bank. So these are all certain things. It is meant for banking improvement, trustworthiness of the depositor and his confidence. So that is a very important thing. The trustworthiness is the most important capital of a bank. Trust between the customer and the bank. There is certain proposals are there. It is effective also. And the nomination facility is concerned, that also is okay. Instead of 1, it is going to be 4. That also is there. Purpose in brief is, sir, cooperative bank directors, one thing. Other points, people have mentioned that. Tenure of the cooperative bank director is extended up to 10 years instead of up to 8 years. I don't find much logic in that, sir. I hope that the minister will explain what benefit we are expecting from such a thing. I feel that it's better to maintain the old system itself because there is no much meaning in the new system. It's better to have an existing system in that. Then with regard to the nomination, I said, instead of 1, it is 4. That also seems to be a practical kind of things. Now, other things, sir, with regard to unclaimed funds, Chidambaram was saying about that, anyhow, that also seems to be practical things. Instead of keeping that in idle, it is for deposit. It will be deposited for IAPF program. That also is a part of the welfare of the members of the system earlier. Affected people can still claim their money also later. That also seems to be a thing to avoid further complication in this. Similarly, sir, audit pay. Banks will now decide how much to pay their auditors instead of RBI. Whether there is feasible or not, that is to be discussed, sir. Sir, one thing I would just...
Please conclude. Please conclude.
Sir,
Honorable member, 6 o'clock, yes, sir, has to give
our
reply.
strength is what, sir? That is
10 more members are there. Please conclude.
Because, widespread network we are having, that is one thing. And diverse portfolio, that is another plus point for Indian banking system. These things are there. So towards the end, I would like to say about people were saying about the bank fraud and that kind of thing. We have to address that properly. Unless we ensure that kind of thing, we will be failing in our duty. The challenges we all know, sir, there are the regulatory mechanism. I would like to suggest that you have to examine whether our system is perfect or not in the light of new challenges, whether we should revamp our system of regulatory mechanism. These things I would like to say, sir. Towards the end, the student loan system. It's a cumbersome process, sir. I humbly appeal the government to ensure a kind of speedy disposal of such cases.
Thank you.
In that case, government should take that also with seriousness. Thank you very much, sir.
Sri Sachidanandam, please.
Laws Amendment